McDonald's secrets exposed. 10 spend smart hacks that save you money and get you better food. McDonald's is hearing it loud and clear. Customers are fed up with rising prices. According to Bloomberg, the fast food giant is preparing to launch a $5 value meal soon, in response to mounting criticism. But here's the truth that most people don't know. While some customers grumble over their expensive soggy meals, others walk out with piping hot food, extra perks, and serious savings. It's not luck. It's not a secret membership. It's not even about knowing someone on the inside. It's about understanding how the system really works and how to spend smart. Let's break down 10 spend smart strategies that will completely change how you order from McDonald's. These aren't gimmicks. These are practical, tested methods that get you fresher food, better service, and more for your money. 1. Grill to order, the phrase that changes everything. Let's start with a phrase most people have never heard. Grill to order. It sounds like a VIP request, but it's actually you're right. Most McDonald's burgers sit under heat lamps for anywhere from 5 to 40 minutes. But when you say, "Can I get that grill to order?" staff are trained to make your burger fresh on the spot. Quarter pounders are already made fresh at most U.S. locations. But for anything else, this simple request ensures you get hot, juicy meat with melted cheese instead of a dry, rubbery disappointment. You might wait an extra minute or two, but it's worth it. You're not just getting fast food, you're getting real food. 2. Fresh, crispy fries every time, without being that customer. McDonald's fries are legendary when fresh, but old fries? Not so much. Here's the spend smart trick. Order fries with no salt. Why? Because every batch of fries gets salted immediately after cooking. Asking for no salt forces the kitchen to make a fresh, unsalted batch just for you. Then, just ask for salt packets and season them yourself. The result, crispy, steaming hot fries that actually taste like they're supposed to. And yes, this trick is legit. It's even mentioned in McDonald's official FAQ. 3. The power of a receipt, the mystery shopper effect. Want better service? Ask for a receipt. That one small act makes employees think you might be a mystery shopper, the secret evaluators McDonald's hires to grade staff performance. Most customers don't ask for a receipt, so when you do, staff pay closer attention, better service, careful prep, and a noticeably improved experience. You're not tricking anyone. You're just using McDonald's own policies to spend smart. 4. Free food from surveys. Turn receipts into sandwiches. Look closely at the bottom of your McDonald's receipt. You'll see a survey code. Visit the site like MCD Voice, answer a few questions, and get a validation code for free food, often a sandwich or BOGO deal. Here's where it gets fun. Every new purchase means a new receipt, which means another survey. Buy a $2 drink. Complete the survey. Redeem for a $4 sandwich. Repeat. Smart shoppers make multiple small purchases to rack up surveys and keep the free food flowing. It's a food hack that's legal, encouraged, and seriously underused. 5. Competitor coupons. Yes, you can ask, this one feels unbelievable, but it works. Some McDonald's locations will accept competitor coupons like Burger King or Wendy's at their discretion. There's no corporate-wide policy, but many franchise owners allow it to compete locally. Just ask, do you accept competitor coupons? Stay polite. Don't expect miracles. But if you have a valid coupon for a similar item, say a chicken sandwich or BOGO fries, some managers are more than happy to honor it, especially during slow hours or if you're friendly. 6. The golden hour. Order at 10:30 a.m. The best-kept time secret in fast food is 10:30 a.m. That's when breakfast transitions to lunch, and both menus are temporarily available. It only lasts for about 10 to 15 minutes, but if you time it right, you can get a sausage McMuffin and a Big Mac in one order. Staff won't advertise this, but if you're polite and the kitchen is mid-shift, they often oblige. Think of it like a McDonald's eclipse, rare, beautiful, and totally worth catching. 7. Ask about local deals. They're not listed anywhere. Some McDonald's locations offer unlisted local deals based on the region, season, or even the nearby competition. These might include $1.99 nuggets, $3 combo meals, or student discounts in college towns. But here's the trick. You have to ask, say, are there any local or seasonal promotions right now? Cashiers won't always volunteer the info, especially if they're busy or new. But many promotions are active, just hidden from the menu. By asking, you unlock savings that nobody else sees. 8. Free add-ons you're probably not using. You might know McDonald's charges for bacon or extra patties. But did you know there's a long list of free add-ons? You can double or triple up on pickles, onions, lettuce, tomato, and sauces at no extra cost. Some locations even offer shredded cheese for free. Use the kiosk or app to fully customize your order. A basic $2 hamburger can become a veggie-loaded, premium-feel meal without changing the price. This is one of the most overlooked spend smart hacks out there. 9. Stack multiple deals by splitting your order. McDonald's mobile app only allows one deal per order. But there's a workaround. Split your order into multiple transactions. Ordering for 2 or more people. Do one order using an app deal. Start a second order using a survey coupon. You'll effectively double your discounts with no rule breaking involved. Use kiosks for maximum efficiency. Complete the first order, pay, and immediately start the second. As long as each transaction is separate, McDonald's lets it slide. 10. Triple stack rewards. App points, cashback, and credit card perks. McDonald's loyalty program gives you points for every order, usually 100 points per dollar. But here's how to spend smart and supercharge that value. Activate cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, or Dash. Many offer 1 to 5% back at McDonald's. Pay with a rewards credit card, especially one that gives bonus points for restaurants. Order through the McDonald's app to collect loyalty points. These 3 systems work together. For one single order, you're earning loyalty rewards, cashback, and credit card points, sometimes adding up to 10 to 15% in total returns. Just remember to activate your cashback app before you order, or you'll miss out. Final thoughts. McDonald's is different when you spend smart. Most people just accept what they get. Soggy fries, lukewarm burgers, no discounts. But now you know better. When you use these 10 spend smart strategies, you get hot, fresh food that tastes way better. You enjoy VIP level service just by asking for a receipt. You unlock free food, hidden deals, and stack savings. You take control of your spending and still enjoy your favorite guilty pleasure. McDonald's wants you to stay passive. But the smarter you are, the better your experience gets. You don't have to overpay. You don't have to settle for leftovers. And you definitely don't have to eat like everyone else. Start spending smart and watch McDonald's transform into a place where your dollar goes farther than ever.